flow through it every time. Just like a woman is going to have to give birth, and then her vagina expands, and once she's done, it
goes back.
You know, it's the same thing that happens to a male. You know, the penis will erect with enough blood, and then it circulates. Once you are done, it will go back to normalcy. It's because you had a lot of blood coming in because of the sexual arousal.
Right.
That
so
is
lots
why,
of blood that causes the erection. That's
that
what I
is
wanted to
why
understand.
there was an erection. Now, once you are done, it doesn't mean blood doesn't flow there again.
Okay.
Other than that, it will be dead.
Okay.
But blood still flows to the penis. It still circulates through the penis. That's why you are able to even urinate and all that. You get it. So most men want to use blue balls as because of that. You know,
coming.
I have to.
Coming. Yeah, baho.
Blue balls doesn't kill anybody.
Dr. Biden, is it painful?
I'm expecting every man to have had it.
Do you only have blue balls if you have a sexual arousal or any other thing that causes the blood to do this mechanism that you have just taught us? You know, say, what else apart from sexual arousal can cause this?
See, if I even start as a man, if you start, you know, most men will look at a woman and they will become erected.
Yeah, that's still under some sort of sexual.
You know, yeah.
So nothing, no other medical condition can, like, must it come from? Is it
Arousal.
only arousal?
Okay, so if I'm understanding you, the classic representation or presentation is pain. So the pain, you'll be able to tell by the description of the pain, maybe the site of the pain, the onset, the character, the radiation, a lot of things. That will be able to tell us emphatically that this one is blue ball, this one it is testicular torsion, this one is epididymitis, this one it is. So it depends on the description. So of all the ones I've mentioned, if I want to single out blue balls, it is sexual arousal.
It's sexual arousal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did I make sense?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes. That pain, how does it feel? And on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh, I can tell you.
Oh, okay.
Is it the same for every?
No, I want you to say that
So is it an emergency?
Blue balls is not an emergency.
Okay.
It's not something that will kill you. It's not something that you have to rush and run to the hospital because you think you have a blue balls. I mean, the easiest way you can work on having a blue ball, like if you have it and you feel, the easiest thing to do is to take a warm shower and you'll be fine.
Yo,
Oh, yeah.
you are destroying people's this
I'm
thing.
not destroying anybody's thing. I'm telling you what you
That's
have.
spoiling
I
the thing for
support it. I
us.
support it.
No, it's true.
Okay.
It's not an emergency.
So because we're singling it out, it is mostly or largely sexual arousal. So if you take your mind off it, which means go take a shower,
Go take
or
a shower,
a walk.
take a walk, have an exercise, do
Can
an
you
activity.
walk? When it happens, can you
Good
walk?
question. Dr. Charity.
walk.
You can't, you know,
Yes.
the thing is
No.
you can't walk, but what would you do? The thing, I'm coming. This is when you have been sexually aroused and you didn't get the opportunity to do the do. What will you do? Are you going to kill yourself?
Okay.
No, you can't walk. Yes, it's true, because you have so much pain. You know, having a pain at 7, that is too high.
Yeah.
You get it. The easiest thing you can do is to go into your bathhouse and
You
at
can walk to
least
the bathhouse, or you can tell whoever helped you with arousal to fetch water and pour on you.
most people's washrooms are just in their rooms, you know. If I won't support masturbation, but if there need be that you have to ejaculate, then you can. Oh yeah.
Put
I
some
was
science
just
to
gonna
this
ask
for
you.
me.
Okay.
Put some science to this. If there's pain,